Xiaomi announced the launch of Redmi Go, the company's first Android Go phone. The Redmi Go costs less than $100 and runs a reduced version of Android called Android 8.1 Oreo Go Edition. The specifications of the phone: it has a 720p screen and 5 inches, an 8MP rear camera and a 5MP selfie camera, and what should be a good battery life with a battery capacity of 3000 mAh. A Snapdragon 425 processor with 1GB of RAM and offers 8GB of internal storage that can be expanded with a microSD. It does not have the additional styles seen in some of its Android Go competitors, such as the Asus ZenFone Live L1, which has an 18:9 screen and an unlock feature. There are still no plans for the launch of the phone in the United States, but Xiaomi will launch the Redmi Go in Europe soon, for €80 around $91.50 USD.